Essentially, this is the look that I've been getting a lot of compliments on at work, or if I'm just like out running errands and whatnot. It's just a very simple gel eyeliner, and it's just very subtle, very nice looking. So let's go ahead, stop talking, let's have some coffee, and let's get it. Okay, really loving this Summer Fridays sheer skin tint. It's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and put a little of that on. Okay, next we're gonna do a little Shape Tape by Tarte. And then I'm actually going to put the Fenty Beauty foundation on my neck just to cover up any flaws. Okay, next, just take a neutral color on whatever palette you have, something with a very like neutral undertone, something very just, you know, beige kind of brown, and then just go ahead and start from here. And you can just use your fingers or a brush, whichever way you prefer. I'm going to just use my fingers right now. And make sure you're putting it up past your, like not all the way up to where your eyebrow is, but just give it some space up here. Like make sure you're blending it all across. And high, make it high enough. Like don't just put it on your eyelid, put it up higher, because I've really found that when I've done this, I've gotten a lot of compliments. So I definitely recommend it, especially if you have like, you know, not a lot of like your eyelid showing, like hooded eyes or whatever. This is really going to help open your eyes up. So next, what I want you to do is to take a highlighter, whatever highlighter you have, put it right in the corner of your eyes for that like extra little pop. There you go. Okay, next, get a gel eyeliner or whatever eyeliner that you have, especially one that has like a little smudgy on the end is really great. If you have an angled brush to like smooth it out, that would be great as well. Go ahead and just put it just from here to here, and then we're going to smudge it out. This type of brush works really good to smudge it out. And just keep smudging it the best you can. Okay, and then after you have it all smudged, definitely don't be afraid to like take an eyeshadow brush and just kind of like go through all of your eyeshadow and just kind of make sure it's just really well blended. Okay, next, go ahead and put a little bit of your gel eyeliner just from here to here and then smudge it out. It's really amazing. Like this, I just applied the gel eyeliner, but I haven't smudged it out. It's really amazing what it looks like when you blend it out. Let me show you. Okay, this is with it all blended out, but we have the next very special step, which is going to bring all of this together. Okay, so next we need the, is it Fake Awake by Tarte? Yeah, Fake Awake by Tarte. Let's get it. Okay, so next we're going to use the Fake Awake by Tarte, and we're going to put that on the bottom waterline right there. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Okay, so I applied the Fake Awake to the waterline right here on the bottom, which really helps open the eyes up. Okay, next we need mascara. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Tarte, what is this one? Lights, Camera, Lashes. So I'm going to be using this one. But what I want you to do, whatever mascara you're using, try to concentrate on these outer lashes. Just put a little bit in through here and very much so concentrate getting the most mascara on these outer lashes. I find that really helps. Right, here we go. I just want to show you, like, look at the difference with this type of look, how mascara helps and how it just really opens it up, opens up your eye. And now we still haven't done the eyebrows yet. Stay with me. Okay, so now what we need to do is our eyebrows. Grab whatever eyebrow pen it is that you like. I'm actually using the L'Oreal Bry Stylist Definer. I really like this one. This one's in the color Brunette. This one seems to work really nice and it has a little spoolie on the end, which is great. But go ahead and just brush your eyebrows up and then just apply it only in the places that it looks very, very thin. Okay, eyebrows are done. Now we definitely need some blush and some bronzer. Okay, so now grab whatever bronzer that you like, and I'm just using a powder bronzer. And definitely something I've been doing in this look, make sure you put the bronzer up higher. Don't put it in this area of your cheeks. Keep it up higher. I definitely find that it definitely gives you more of a lifted look and it just looks so much nicer. And then just blend it in. Take some for the other side. Keeping it up high, bring it all the way up. Something I've been doing as well, bring it way up into your hairline. And then after you have that placed, then go ahead and take like whatever pink powder blush that you like, just a little bit, and just dab it right here on the top. Just to give a little bit of a pinkish glow right here. Maybe even bring it to the apples of your cheeks. And then take your bronzer mixed with that pink blush, go all up in here into your hairline, and then go ahead right here on your chin, a little bit on your nose, and then take some of that bronzy color, pink color, and put it all over your neck and chest. Okay, next, go ahead and what I've been using is the Summer Fridays. I guess it's considered, it says lip butter balm. So I've been using this, and then just go ahead. Then take whatever is your favorite setting spray and just go ahead and spray it. And that's it. And this is the completed look. And I have gotten so many compliments on this particular look at work, just going out, running errands. It's just a very, like, it makes you look very wide awake. And I have to say, I have so been loving the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. And this has been so amazing to use this product, I have to say. I've really been loving it. Keep in mind, it is very expensive. It's only 1 fluid ounce. I feel like this is going to go really quick, which is a bummer, but it's a beautiful product. It's wonderful. Okay, so yeah, so this is the completed look. It's just a very healthy, natural look. I feel like I look very wide awake, you know, and just the browns with a little bit of, you know, the glitter with the little inner corner of the highlighter. It just makes you look very awake. It looks like, hey, I'm ready to get to work, or hey, I'm ready to run some errands. And like I said, I've gotten so many compliments on this particular look. So if you guys try it, please let me know, comment below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.